Welcome to Mr. B's Makerspace.
Design technology for home.
Boom shakalaka to all the people that want.
Yes, that's what this is. I'm going to set you challenges. I'm not making these things, you're making them. I'm saying you design challenges every day. If you're bored at home and you think, what shall I make? Then you click on my channel and find a challenge. And then you go and make it. And each challenge, I'll make one to show you.
Ah! Did you knock it over, guys? No, I don't know anything about that, no.
You now have a challenge to make helicopters. Go do this project. So clever. We're going to make something that nods by itself. That's the challenge here.
Today we're making bike jumps.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling.
Hug the sign. Hug the sign. I love you. Yeah. Go this way? I'm going to go this way. Bye.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you think about this Mr. B's Makerspace?
Mr. B's Makerspace is great. I love it.
What do you like about it?
Well, I like all the cool projects that we get at the end and all the creativity. I have to say, though, I do not appreciate being thrown off the roof as much as he does.
He throws you off the roof all the time.
I know, I hate it.
Okay, so we'll do another project as long as he doesn't throw you off the roof.
Okay, that's fine.
I hear his next project is sending you into space. Is that okay?
Sending me into space? Are you mad?
Sorry. Yeah, stiff upper lip. Let's do one more. Great.
Oh, fine.